Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coaster Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the video you're going to see today is a sunflower swipe or flower swipe or eyeball swipe, if you would like to call it that. I kept thinking about what colors I wanted to use. I've done this before many times and I've used many different colors. So I got to thinking about an eyeball, and I have green eyes, so I thought I'm going to do a green one. So this is for all the green-eyed people out there. I know there's not very many of us supposedly, but this is for you guys. So I'm going to show it to you here. It is on a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I do really like how this turned out. I will say I wish this green was a little bit more vibrant against the black background, but again, I'm not mad at it. I do like how it turned out. As usual, my colors and my formula will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.